Hi viewers, today I will show you how to set up SuiteCommerce Advanced Web Store in Netsuite account. For SuiteCommerce Advanced, these are prerequisite bundles: SuiteCommerce Advanced Bundle, Configuration, Extension Management, and Base Theme. Now let's move on the Netsuite account. Go to Setup, SuiteCommerce Advanced, Set a website, click New, click Setup Site. Type the website display name, see a demo web store. These are basic configuration already set up in this account. Let's move on. Default hosting route. You can select live hosting or staging hosting. I will choose live hosting files. Move on to shopping subtab. You can define the shipping, default shipping method and default shipping country, and specify the shipping country list. And also you can specify the registration if, is will registration required or not, and also you can protect your website with password. Let's move on analytic. You can write any analytic tag or script here. Let's move on search index. These fields for search fields, you can search with name, online name, detailed description, and search keyword with multiple match types. These are facet field. Now I will add the facet field here, the commerce category and online price. These are sort fields. Uh, by default, relevance is added in this tab. Now I will add online price. These are set order, ascending and descending. Now go to the field set. Field sets are empty. Netsuite will provide us prerequisite script of field set. I will show you. Let's move on email tab. You can specify the email template, email address, and also you can add BCC emails in this text box for the order receive, order cancel, order fulfill, order approval, and other emails are also available. Now go to the image set tab. These subtabs for you can specify image domain and image folder for your web store. These are touch points. These are for these configuration for domain. Now click save. Now I'm going to click on SSP application. These SSP application uh, uh, are including in SuiteCommerce Advanced bundle. I will click on SuiteCommerce Advanced Dev 2019.2. Click link to site and select website record. Now click link to site. It's loading. Let's wait for loading the page. Okay, now it's loaded. Select current website record, and these are touch point. Click save. Now these touch point will automatically create on website record. Now click edit. You can see these are already created in touchpoint, already created in our website record. Now for the field set, we will create field set by source script. Go to customization, script, and script debugger. Click here. Okay, here's the script of field sets. I will select the field set script and paste here, and just change the website ID. The website ID is 3. Okay, 3. And for the product review, okay, debug the script. Now fields that have been created. Now go to set a website. You can see the fields that are created in website record. Okay, go to the domain. Now I will first click save. And click edit. I will add new domain for the website. Click add new domain, and I have already set up the domain in my local computer. You can see is the host file, and this one the Netsuite IP, and I have write it down as sca.demo.com. Now I will write here sca.demo.com. This is the CNAME. You can add this CNAME in your domain registrar. Select the website. This is my website. If you want your website to browse with CDN, so you can check the CDN option and select the HTML hosting root, the live hosting. Okay, there's the touch point. You can uh, leave empty and click save. Okay, domain is created now. Now go to the SSP application again, click the SSP application and link to domain. Select the domain sca.demo.com and click save. Now click on view. You can see the touch point already created in your domain record. Domain status is showing red cross because I have set up these domain in my local computer is not it is not configured by domain registrar. That's why it's showing the red cross icon. Now go to the website, set a website, and click edit. You can see the domain name listed here. Okay, now click setup, SuiteCommerce Advanced, and extension management. Now you have to activate your base theme. So click on new activation, select demo, see a demo web store, your website record, select the domain, click next, and check the SuiteCommerce Advanced base theme. Currently we have also extension, custom extension, but we now for this time we will only activate the SuiteCommerce base theme. Now click activate. Now theme status is showing pending. Click the refresh. Start it. It will take few minutes for activation.
Like, share and comment
Now
this
the
video,
theme has
and don't
successfully
forget
activated.
subscribe our channel
Now
dailytube.pk.
the
And
web
if you
store
have any
is ready for
feedback for this
use. You
video,
can see
please
the
comment below.
seo.demo.com